We have a couple Okuma LT lathes that have lots of velocity, live tools in it. Very efficient machines. Those are the machines that usually we don't have to worry about capacity issues. They run really quick. We have two U3000s. They have turrets on them besides the main milling head. And so we have some of the velocity milling heads on the live tooling for the turrets. And it makes us a lot more efficient as far as we can be working on both spindles and just having extra tools. We do a lot of pulleys for engines. So when we're doing those pulleys, a lot of times they're the same size. So we don't have to change jaws. You're talking maybe 5 minutes to go from one part to another. We stock all our machines with lots of tools in them. And at times we run out of locations for them. So when we can put tools in the turret, we can use those velocity products where we can add extra tooling into there. It's fractions of a second to go from one tool to another.